friends, it's Heidi here with Kiddoskoral. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a power hour. I am in my workout clothes, but I got things to get done and I wanted to share with you guys my power hour. A lot of times we get up in the morning and we're extremely overwhelmed by what is in front of us to accomplish. But today I'm not going to allow that to get me down. I'm going to do a power hour and try to get as much items on my list done. I should be able to accomplish it in 1 hour. So wish me luck, guys. It's Monday afternoon and it is a beautiful day outside. See that? And I want to get outside and enjoy a good power walk at the track because it is so gorgeous outside. But in order to do that and treat myself to that, I have to get the things done here in the house. So let's get working. Okay, let's get started in my power hour. And first thing I want to show you guys is my list, and I put it all in my notes on my phone so you guys could see a rundown of what needs to be accomplished. So let's get started. One thing I had on my list was to make pasta, and the reason why it's on the list is because I was supposed to have company for dinner last night, which it did not pan and they couldn't make it. So I had the meat already thawed and I didn't want it to go to waste. It's not something that I can eat because of my diet, but my family can eat it. And so I'm just going to go ahead and make up the pasta, and then I'm going to put it in individual containers and they can have it for lunch this week. And I know that they'll enjoy it. On the list is to get this bookshelf all cleaned out because I plan to actually paint this week, and we have been doing a few added things to the house, like hanging shelves in the laundry room. We hung pictures in the hallway. We patched a couple places in the walls and repainted this weekend. So now I need to clean all of this out because obviously this stuff does not belong here. Watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this and you felt motivated, hit that like button, and I'll be talking to you all again soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.